everybody. We are going to show a role play on the topic pregnancy and embryonic development.
Hello, I am uterus. You can also call me as womb. I am the secondary sex organ of the female reproductive system. I am a thick-walled muscular organ capable of expansion to accommodate the growing fetus. I am located between the rectum and the bladder. I am connected distally to the vagina and laterally to the uterine tubes. My main function is to provide nourishment to the fetus prior to its birth. I also play a role in the sexual response by directing the blood flow to the pelvis and ovaries and to the external genitals including labia, vagina and clitoris.
Hey, I'm Ovum, the female gamete. You can call me an egg cell. I'm the one formed in the ovaries by the process known as oogenesis and released by one of the ovaries every month by the process called as ovulation. I am surrounded by zona pellucida and corona radiata and I'm larger than the male gamete. After ovulation, I get collected by the finger-like projections of the fallopian tube known as fimbriae. Then I pass through the fallopian duct to reach the ampullary region. This is the region where I meet a sperm. As the sperm comes in contact with me, it blocks the entry of other sperms. Remember, I allow only one sperm to enter into me. After fertilization, I get converted from a haploid gamete to a diploid cell. Then, I got a new name, zygote. As a zygote, I divide continuously mitotically to form blastomeres, morula, and finally terminate into a blastocyst. As a blastocyst, I have trophoblast and inner cell mass. The trophoblast get attached to the uterine wall and inner cell mass develops into an embryo. So this was my journey from ovulation to implantation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am fallopian tube. I am also called as oviduct or uterine tube. I am a part of the female reproductive system. I am 10 to 13 cm in length and 0.5 to 1.2 cm in diameter. A fertilized egg passes through me from the ovary to the uterus. I am divided into 4 parts. My first part is fimbriae, which are finger-like ciliated projections, and it captures the ovum from the ovary. My second part is infundibulum, which is funnel-shaped, situated near the ovary, and fimbriae are attached to it. My third part is ampulla. It is the widest section, and fertilization usually occurs here. My last part is isthmus, which is a narrow section, and it connects the ampulla to the uterine cavity. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hi, I am placenta. I am a large organ and I develop during pregnancy. I am attached to the walls of the uterus, usually to the top or the side. I am connected to the baby via the umbilical cord. Blood from the mother passes through me, filtering oxygen, glucose and other nutrients which are required for the baby. I also filters other substances which are harmful for the baby and removes carbon dioxide and waste products from the baby's blood. I also produce a large number of hormones which are required for pregnancy, such as lactogen, estrogen and progesterone. I separate the blood of the mother from the baby's blood so as to protect the baby from infections. Towards the end of the pregnancy, I pass on antibodies so as to protect the baby after the birth. I am expelled out from the body of the mother just after the birth of the baby, nearly about 5 to 30 minutes after the baby is born. Remember, this phase is called as the third phase of labor. So, these are my functions during pregnancy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm umbilical cord. I'm sure you know me by my nicknames like navel string or birth cord. I'm comprised of a connecting stalk, a vitelline duct and blood vessels that are surrounded by amniotic membrane. I'm the connecting link between the placenta and the fetus. I enter the fetus via abdomen, which will grow into navel or umbilius after the delivery of the baby. I start forming after 3 weeks of conception and am fully formed after 7 weeks of conception. I have 2 umbilical arteries that carry low oxygen, waste and carbon dioxide rich blood from the fetal heart to that of the placenta. And I have 1 umbilical vein that carry oxygen rich and nutrient rich blood from the placenta to that of the fetus. Wattles jelly definitely does a great job in protecting all of my blood vessel. I usually don't fall off early after the delivery of the baby and take 10 to 14 days to fall off naturally. Thank you.